Hey, so if you wanted to set up HubSpot Free CRM in 2026 and start managing contacts and sales without paying anything, this full guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot's website. Click on Get Free CRM and sign up using your email address. Create a password and complete the basic setup details. Once done, log in using your email and password to access the HubSpot dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on the main home screen. HubSpot automatically activates the free CRM tools for you, so there's no manual installation required. Yeah, it's ready to use right away. Start by setting up contacts. Click on the Contacts tab and add your leads or customers manually or import them from a CSV file. Each contact becomes a central record where emails, calls, and notes are stored. Next, move to Deals. Click on Deals and create your first pipeline. Add deal stages like contacted, proposal sent, and closed. This helps you track sales progress clearly, even on the free plan. Now set up tasks. Create tasks for follow-ups, calls, or emails, and assign due dates. Tasks keep you organized and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. HubSpot also enables email tracking by default. Connect your Gmail or Outlook so HubSpot can track opens and log emails automatically inside contact records. Take a moment to customize properties. Adjust contact and deal properties to match your business needs, like lead source or deal value. Finally, explore the dashboard. Review activities, upcoming tasks, and deal updates daily to stay organized. And that's it. By creating an account, adding contacts, setting up deals, tasks, and email tracking, you can fully set up and start using HubSpot Free CRM in minutes. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.